Hey guys, 5 Day video, but I'll be showing you guys how to glitch in any bloxburg house or thing. Just forgot to close everything in the house. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, walk up to the door, click your foot, sit. Gotta have shift lock on. Hold S while walking this way. Then boom. You turn on shift lock while you click S, and then it's very glitchy, as you guys can saw. Don't always work, but it'll work sometimes. I've been doing it a lot today, and bloxburg, they said they patched it. Look, boom. Proof, this is my own house, and okay, all those cars just adding to that person's house value. But it's not a lot of house value. Then this probably makes our house really expensive. Come on, this. How many cars do you need, lady? Okay. So this works for walls too. Oh. Okay. Please sure you don't mind me glitching to that room. Alright. Okay. I'm in. See? It's harder for walls, but I just made the easier glitch. You do this, pretend I'm sitting, and then boom, then boom. Like, you do this, make sure the character's facing the wall, hold S, then click shift lock, then while it's sitting, then you might get it. Home is where the Wi-Fi connects automatically. Alright. Cool. So, yeet. Okay. Yeah, sometimes that happens. So, yeah. See you guys. And I accidentally click record again. Alright, see you guys.